Ever wondered if your stress levels are skyrocketing or if you're in dire need of some relaxation? Well, the answer might just be a sip away. Welcome back to Healthcare Tips by Alina. Today, the spotlight is on 7 soothing beverages that not only tickle your palate but also unfurl their magic in repairing and calming your nerves. First on the list is the time-honored chamomile tea. Brimming with antioxidants, chamomile has been revered for ages for its calming properties. A warm cup just before hitting the sack can help ease your nerves and usher in a good night's sleep. Following closely is the golden elixir, the turmeric latte. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. A cozy turmeric latte can be a delectable way to unwind and support your nervous system. Next, we switch gears to something more vibrant, a blueberry smoothie. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Blend them with yogurt or your favorite milk to whip up a delicious nerve-boosting delight. Now, it's time for the ever-popular green tea. With its generous content of L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation, green tea provides a gentle boost without the jitteriness often associated with caffeine. Sip on a cup to soothe your nerves and enhance your focus. Are you in the mood for something tangy? How about a refreshing ginger lemonade? Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, pairs perfectly with lemon, a powerhouse of vitamin C. This dynamic duo can help dial down stress and elevate your overall well-being. Ever come across ashwagandha? It's an adaptogenic herb renowned for its stress-relieving properties. An ashwagandha latte blends the potency of this herb with your favorite milk, resulting in a comforting concoction that supports your nervous system. Last but not least, we end on a minty note with a peppermint infusion. Peppermint, with its calming effect on the digestive system, indirectly benefits the nervous system. Sip on this soothing infusion to unwind after a whirlwind of a day. And there you have it, 7 drinks to repair and relax your nerves. Remember, a healthy nervous system is a cornerstone of overall well-being, so why not incorporate these beverages into your daily routine? If this video struck a chord with you, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to Healthcare Tips by Alina for a plethora of health tips. Also, don't hesitate to drop a comment about which drink you're excited to try. Here's to a calmer, more relaxed you.